Well, this rail is almost done. One side is completely broke loose, and I've bent it over, and it shouldn't take but a minute grinding on each weld. They've got about 3 times as many welds as you need, but I'm sure that was mandated. Then I get to do this shorter one, which won't take 2 days, might take a day. Yay, second rail is out. That last little bit only had 7 welds on it, so about 2 times more than needed, but I guess government mandate. Plus, we got a low pressure coming in, possibly small tropical storm. This is a perfect time to look for my leaks. I've got one over there, which I knew of, and I should have one right here. Yeah, see that wood's rotten? So I know I got one right there. That's the only 2 I found, which is great. Getting close. Getting close. My supervisor keeping an eye on me. Aren't you, HD? HD? Aren't you? Huh? Well, what I'm doing today with my Ryobi grinder is I'm grinding these welds down to within a 1/16 of an inch. Some of them are like over a 1/4 inch high, but then when I put the new wood back, it'll lay a whole lot flatter. So let's see if I can find one here. It's not too bad. See, it's pretty high. And I'm sure you just got the fan motor noise. But I'm going to go through and count the welds, just for the heck of it, just to see how many I've got. Now this big hose here, that's the 2 water lines and the electrical for the old heater in the back, which I took out. I decided to take that out. It was in perfect shape, but I don't think I'm going to need it. I'm hoping to follow the weather and not get in too many cold predicaments. Once I get the water tanks in, then I'll be able to go ahead and put the floor in. I've got the designs. Keep an eye on the videos on YouTube.